So I just started using this 2-in-1 bikini trimmer. So it comes with this charging cable where this piece goes under here and the USB into the wall. It comes with a nice brush so that when you're done shaving you can like brush off the hairs, especially like little hairs get caught in here, and this brush cleans it out really well like this. Also comes with a little bit of oil. So there's two sizes. Let me remove this. So there's this size and this size. And how you remove them is you just like kind of jiggle and pop this out. And then you just push this in. Super simple. And then they have these guides. This one you just attach like this. You can use it to guide and shave. And so this one, the little one, the notches like kind of align with this indentation, whereas the wider one, you see there's this line. This is where you guide a line like this and you push so to remove it. And then there's one that's a little longer like this. And then it comes with a nice pouch to store everything in if you don't want to keep the box. So I really like the more narrow one for some of your body hair parts where it's like a smaller area, and the larger surface areas you can use the wider one, and the more narrow areas you can use this one. And it's got a light, very light buzzing sound, as you can hear. I'm gonna press power. So I was able to quickly do my armpits and other parts really quickly. And then it also comes with this skin smoothing gel. So after you shave, it says designed for your pubic area and underarms and legs. And this is like a clear, thick gel. So I already twisted this off and removed that little silver protective seal there. And then just to show you what the gel looks like, it's like nice and thick. So I just finished shaving my arms, my armpits. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of gel. It's unscented, so I don't really smell any scents. So this works really well. I applied it and I feel like a cooling sensation, so that's really cool. And then when you're done, I actually like to leave this on. So if I accidentally grab it, I'm not jabbed by the tips. So I just kind of leave it like this. And then I pack it away. It comes with a nice small instruction book where it goes through like things to be careful about. It gives you the pieces, talks about charging, so don't use it while it's charging. So make sure you fully charge it. You don't want to operate this while, you know, if you have wet hands and things like this. It walks you through how to swap out the trimmer heads. And then it talks to you about the different guide combs. So excellent product.